Easy English practice.
Hey John, how's it going?
Hey Jack, I'm doing well, thanks. What about you?
I'm good too, just a bit tired from work.
Yeah, I get that. Been really busy lately?
Oh yeah, lots of deadlines. But it's almost the weekend.
That's good. Got any plans?
Not really. Just thinking of relaxing and maybe catching up on some reading.
Sounds like a great plan. I might do the same.
Yeah, sometimes it's nice to just take it easy.
Yeah, right.
Do you have a second?
Of course. What's going on?
I'm having some trouble with the new project management software. Have you figured it out yet?
Yeah, I've been using it for a few days now. What seems to be the problem?
I'm struggling to assign tasks to the team. It's not very intuitive.
Ah, I had the same issue at first. You have to click on the project name, then go to the Tasks tab and assign from there.
Oh, I see. I missed that. Thanks.
No problem. Let me know if you need help with anything else.
Will do. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.